Here is an problem based on percentage for you. Think about your answer, and if you did like, pause the video and comment your solution below. Ready? Now let's go over the solution and see how you did. Here 5.5% meaning 5.5 upon 100. That's in representation of percentage. So here that point between 55 or 5.5 we have to remove it first. How we can remove it? For that we have to multiply our numerator with 10, and there is rule. Whenever we are performing any operation on numerator, the same operation should be happen with the denominator. So we also multiply with 10 to our denominator. Here simplex form of 5.5% is 55 upon 1000, and we have to find out 55 upon 1000 of 2000, the same as 5.5% of 2000. So here in this calculation all three zeros get cancelled out and we left with 55 into 2, and that is 110. So answer is 110, option number 3.